What's up, JUCEE fam? It's your boy Juju.
And it's your girl Cece.
And you know what it is. We are back with another video. Oh my gosh, I moved it. Guys, so as you guys can see, this video is Make This Sound Challenge. So what that means is that throughout the course of the day, or we'll do it over a few days or whatever the case may be, we'll just take random things that makes noise, or we'll make the sounds using objects or whatever we have around us. The environment doesn't matter, and we'll ask the other one to actually imitate and make that same sound.
Yeah,
that's basically the challenge. So it's gonna be real funny to see how well we do, and if we really, match the sound that we're given.
Yeah.
I know for sure that she's not gonna match all the sounds. I can't wait to hear what she comes up with.
I can't make sounds, okay? I make my own sounds, okay? I'm very good with like making sound effects, like the things that I do, like stuff like that now. But I'm not good with like imitating or repeating a sound of like an object. So I don't think that this is gonna go well for me at all, to be honest with you guys.
I think it's gonna be real funny. It's gonna be a funny video.
Yeah.
I have no doubt that there's not gonna be, or you won't be able to watch this whole video finished without laughing at least once.
Yeah.
That's a definite. I don't think you can do that. But basically that's it in a nutshell, guys. Before we start with this challenge, make sure to give this video a like, because it helps the channel, Comment down below.
Yes, please.
Please make sure to comment anything, other challenge ideas.
Yeah, and if you guys have been liking the challenges that we've been finding, as you guys can see, like on the video, it's also linked, like where we get it from, because I just feel like it's good for us to tell you guys where we got the original idea from, and I only feel like it's fair to owe it to the people who actually like found it or decided, okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube, and we like found it super entertaining, and we're like, we have to try this. So I just wanted to put that out there. But if you guys are liking the challenges that we're doing, definitely comment down below.
Share the channel, help us grow. We're almost at 3K. For those who do not know, we have a giveaway running on Instagram. We have put it on Instagram. We put it on our YouTube community as well, just so that everyone can know. So basically, you guys stand a chance to win a Polaroid fitness watch.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of features and all that, but you can check that out on Instagram. Our links to the Instagram is down in the description below, so you guys can just click on one of our links, go check it out, and see how to enter if you have not yet done that. And then most importantly, if you guys are new to the channel and this is the first time you're seeing us, make sure to smash
that subscribe button.
Make sure to smash that subscribe button, guys, and also turn on your post notifications to get our latest videos as soon as we upload them. Let's get it. Baby, do the sound for me.
Baby. Make the sound.
That was good though. That was good. Baby. How about you make this sound?
Oh no, this is gonna spot. I can't do that. Make the sound. Look. No. Look.
Looking.
Okay.
So I got another one for you. Okay. Open it up for me quickly, yeah? Okay, that's enough. Are you ready?
Babsy.
What?
Hi.
Hi, babe. Listen.
Continue sharing.
Make
that sound.
What sound?
That.
The sound I make you when I'm shaving?
Yeah.
This?
You're good.
Okay.
No. What is it now?
Okay.
Okay.
You ready? What is that? What is
that a sound?
that? Is bad.
What? Yeah. Baby. Like the sound. I need to put the cup down. Okay. So I'm gonna put it here just so you can hear.
Babes, I would like you to make this sound for me, okay?
No. No,
Are you ready?
no, I'm not gonna.
Listen. Are you ready?
That one. Fuzzy, I can't.
You have to.
I can't.
Go.
I can't. Do it again. Boom, 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 blah, blah, blah.
That sounds like a damaged car.
I can't make that sound.
Oh my
so
gosh, that's
sorry.
funny.
Fuzzy,
Yeah.
stand up. Stand up. Make this noise.
Boom. Boom.
Your face. I'm gonna slow-mo your face.
Okay, baby, make this noise for me. Listen to it. No, the whole noise. You can't just. No. Are you ready?
Yeah. Clink, clink.
Got another one for you.
Okay.
Get your butt over here.
How the hell am I supposed to make like a zip? Zzz. That's a big word. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh my gosh, babe.
No. Make the sound. Are you ready for it? So you have to make the whole entire sound. Okay? Okay. What is that?
Baby? Are you ready? Make this sound for me.
What are you doing?
I'm starting to clean.
Come here. Come make the sound. Come. Come. Hear it?
What's
Hear
up?
it? Make it.
Can you show them what you're doing?
Now do it.
Do that sound. What is that?
Baby, make the sound for me. No, make the sound for me.
I think I sound like that.
No.
Do it again. Oh, baby, I want you to make this sound for me. Okay. Are you ready for this? Okay. Oh! Are you feeling confident about that
Yeah,
one?
because I've done it since I was small.
Okay.
You know that.
Okay, I'm gonna try and add that video in here.
Hey, Daddy. Lizard. Make the sound for me, please. I'm just gonna go to it quick. I can't do both. I can't do both. Can you hold it, please? Do it.
Get into the zone. You know what I'm saying? I think I got that.
You nailed
I
it.
think I got that one.
Definitely.
Guys, so that is the end of this video. What a challenge. It was so much fun, not only to do it, actually to do it and to just hear each other come up with some weird sounds. It was super funny. Like, we had such a great time doing this video. I would love to do more, like just randomly, you know. What about you?
I don't know, like editing that video and looking back, I just want to like put my head down because it was terrible. Honestly, like from the start, you caught me at my worst. Okay, so I think like that already said a lot. Like, this is not going to be a good day for me. But yeah, I think it was really funny looking back at it. Like, he had some amazing freaking sounds come out of his mouth. Like, who knew, you know? But it was honestly like so funny. I think it was so worth it. And I would honestly love to do this in the future, and maybe even with more people, and see like what everyone can do. Like, you make one sound and maybe like everyone can do it.
Yeah, but guys, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we did. Make sure to give this video a like. Comment down below any other couples challenges you would like us to do. Share our channel. Most importantly,
smash that subscribe button.
Smash it. And also turn on your post notifications to get our latest videos as soon as we upload them. But as always, stay lit,
stay awesome,
stay juicy. We out.